Welcome back. So I've been painstakingly assembling all these layers for the King Theoden's shield. You can see here a lot of stamped metal work, these kind of dart shapes, and I've got most of that done. So now concentrating on the edging. There's some complicated edging strips that go around, and have a Boolean operation to provide. That would be nice when it's filled with paint to provide the effects. And then there's these little edge pieces that go on top and bottom and on the sides. Rather complicated arrangement with the overlap here with as it runs around the edge from the front to the side there. It's a lot of fiddling around with alphas and booleans just to get them to match up. They don't quite match up in reality, so it's not such a big deal, but you know, they have to give the correct effect. It's tricky because they've really got to be quite thin. If I make them too thick, they're going to look clumsy, but thick enough to stand out well. And then I just add the final touches there with masking, and we've got the full detail of parts there. It's rather complex design. Yeah, almost there. Theoden's shield.